To finish the load carrier, slide on a male end of a side release buckle on each of the loose straps at the shoulder. On the bottom elastic pieces, slide on tri-glides and male side release buckle ends, then loop the remaining elastic through the tri-glides. Without tri-glides, the elastic has a tendency to work itself loose. Cut 2 straps of adequate length and attach them at the end of the shoulder pads using tri-glides. The other ends of the strap are inserted through the ladder locks. With the 2 straps that extend from the end of the shoulder pads, place a sternum slider and male side release buckle end. The lower chest strap is then fed through the sternum slider and a buckle is attached to the strap ends. Now the belt can be connected. The thigh carriers are connected by sliding the straps through the ladder locks on the belt. These aren't necessary, but carrying some weight below the waist really lowers your center of gravity, which increases safety on steep, uneven terrain and helps your back out a lot, not to mention having commonly used items stored right at your fingertips. Don't forget to attach the sternum strap. Once it is all together, it needs to be fitted. Start at the waist belt and adjust. Then the sternum strap and middle strap. Adjust the side straps to be just a little loose. Then the back elastic. Adjust the straps at the back ladder locks until it is snug, but not tight. Then adjust the thigh carriers. What about the backpack, you say? Adjust the buckle ends on the free shoulder straps close to the ends. Same for the buckle ends on the lower back of the pack. With the front of the pack facing you, connect the buckles of the shoulder straps to the ones on the pack. Flip the pack over your head and pull the shoulder straps to position. Then connect the male buckle ends from the bottom of the pack to the female buckle ends at the end of the shoulder pad and adjust. You will have to fine-tune the load carry harness a little at a time. It will be a little awkward at first, but after some use, the laminate panels will form to your body shape. Once broken in and adjusted correctly, moderate loads can be carried comfortably. The load carrier is designed to fit snugly to distribute load forces, so when removing or putting it on, it is best to have the backpack detached. The thigh carriers can be removed if you don't want to use them.
But wait, there's more. The pack straps can be configured for simple pack mode, keeping the backpack for lighter loads on casual days. Don't need a pack? The system can be used in belt mode, monkey approved. No matter the need, the truly modular design can meet the needs of almost any single-day adventure. Get your modular outdoor sports system today. Why, Moss? Because it sounds better than Max.
There you go, my pack system. May seem a little complicated for a simple day hike. You should have seen some of the earlier models. But through many revisions and testing by myself and a few guinea pigs,
How dare you!
it's been refined. This is just a sample collection of what I've made. I'll probably never stop making tweaks to it though. I designed it for the environment and type of hiking I do. You can see if you watch some of my other videos. So I'll stick my face up in there first. Some of you have asked about the suits. Yeah, I'm an explorer hiker.
You do like off-trail stuff?
Yeah, mostly off-trail. Yeah, the suits. Laugh all you want, the bears don't care what I look like. If enough people are interested, yeah, I can show you how to make those too, but you can use the pack system with any attire. A few notes. This is a day system. As with all gear, it has its limitations. Don't go on an overnighter or try to through hike the Pacific Crest Trail with it. Although I have seen ultralight hikers with less gear. It's made to handle lighter loads with comfort and versatility. That being said, test subjects have said they almost forgot they were wearing a pack when it was fitted correctly. And it does work best with the thigh carriers. They help distribute the load a little bit better. I've been asked by a few people if I'd be willing to make them a complete system, and they offered to pay for me to do it. Yeah, I like making money, but I want to do the job right. So bring me to where I can properly fit you, a place to stay for a couple of weeks, $2,500 USD, information for a background check, a list of any medications you might be on, at least 3 references. Sure, I might be willing to do it. Might. Might being the key word there, as in maybe. At the very least, I hope you learned something about how to make your own gear. Maybe even got an inspiration for your own ideas. I hope so, because it took 2 months to make this series. I mean, it couldn't hurt to click that thumbs up button.
Maybe, maybe not.
Or comment on how I was unclear on certain steps. You really want to watch 10 4-hour videos? Now that my brain is fried from making hundreds of hours of information content, it's time to get back out in the woods. If the weather cooperates. Until next time, I hope.